Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a chat on Claude AI. If your chat history in Claude AI is getting cluttered, don't worry, you can delete chats in just a few clicks. So I'll show you exactly how to remove conversations on both desktop and mobile. So to start, you can open Claude in your browser or on your PC, and if you're not logged in yet, so let's log in. So click on Get Started. And in here, you can continue with Google or enter your email. So I'm going to click Continue with Google. So choose your account, tap on Continue. So in here, tap on Continue. Now, once you're on the main dashboard, hover your mouse over the conversation at the left side. Now in here, choose a conversation that you want to delete and just tap on the three dots right here. So you'll see four options. You have pin, rename, add to project, or delete. So we're going to click on delete, confirm when prompted, and that's it. That chat will be permanently removed from your history. So again, you need to go to the left side, click on the three dots, and click on delete icon or delete option and confirm the action. And that's it. You can also open the chat or the conversation. And once it's opened, at the top, click on the arrow right here and tap on delete. So confirm the action, and that's basically it. So if you're using mobile, you can open the Cloud app and tap the menu icon to open your chat list. Now find the conversation you want to delete, then tap and hold the chat or tap the three dots, then select delete. And then just confirm your choice and the chat will be removed instantly. So deleted chats cannot be recovered. This helps keep your workspace clean and private, and deleting chats does not affect your account. So that's it. That's how you can delete a chat on Claude AI. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.